Hello, my name is Cheryl Buckwalter with Eco Landscape California, and I would like to show you around this river-friendly landscape that is brought to you by Sacramento County Department of Water Resources Stormwater Quality Program. You can learn more about river-friendly landscaping and the 7 principles at riverfriendly.org. But let's get started and have a tour of this landscape. First, at the entry walkway, we have removed the old concrete walk and reused that concrete in the backyard. We've replaced it with these permeable pavers as well as this permeable concrete so that water that flows off of our roof goes into this downspout and flows over this surface. Any contaminants or pollutants that might be coming off of this driveway can then be absorbed through these materials instead of flowing into our gutters and drainage system. An important feature of this landscape is this rain garden. Again, the water from the roof can come into this downspout, flow through these channels, and be captured and soak more slowly into the ground here. Plant material for rain gardens is very important. These are plants that are selected because they can take periods of moisture, heavy moisture, like from the rainy season, and drier periods during the summer. However, we have installed a drip irrigation system in the rain garden so that supplemental water can be applied if needed. Water also flows from this downspout through this channel into this low area we're going to call a vegetated swale, again with similar plant material as the rain garden, so that we're slowing that flow and allowing it to soak into the ground. A very important principle of river-friendly landscaping is selecting plants such as this pink dawn catalpa, and then we also have these trees that help to shade the hardscape. And it's important to group plants by their water and sun requirements. Grouping plants by water requirements is called hydrozoning. And so this area throughout here are all moderate water use plants. These are moderate water use plants. However, in this area, all of these plants are low water use. And I'd like to invite you to refer to the irrigation plan because there's a lot of great information about how you can water your landscape efficiently. So what is done in the irrigation plan is we've set up a grid of tubing, and those tubes have low volume drip irrigation emitters right inside so that the water is kept in the root zone and there is very little runoff and waste. You'll notice these little triangular shapes right here. Those are uplights, and basically they shine up into the canopy of trees and shrubs so that they accentuate the area, and they're really bringing another element to our landscape because we can be outside in our beautiful seasons most of the year in the Sacramento region, and so you can enjoy your landscape by using lighting and having it placed just in the right place up in the tree canopies, but not shining into your neighbor's windows. There's a decorative container here with some wonderful shrubs that just snowberry is what it's called, and it will hang over the edges. Also, an important thing is creating a healthy habitat to welcome into our garden basically life. We're welcoming in bees and birds and butterflies, other pollinators, and we're taking care of them with this water feature that will provide a year-round source of water. So as you can see, there are many elements to a river-friendly landscape. And one more that I'd like to point out is that in all of the planting areas, the soil is covered with a nice thick layer of wood mulch so that basically the temperature of the soil is moderated, which takes care of the plant's roots as well as soil organisms. It helps to suppress weeds. It helps to retain moisture. Mulch has many benefits. So thank you for taking this tour with me today, and please visit riverfriendly.org to learn more about river-friendly landscaping.